Today, we're addressing the common question among DoorDash drivers. How do I get my 1099 from DoorDash? For many, this is an essential part of managing your finances, especially when tax season rolls around. Let's dive into understanding how you can access this vital document. Firstly, it's important to know what a 1099 form is. The 1099 MISC or 1099 NEC is a tax form used in the United States to report earnings to independent contractors. If you've been driving with DoorDash and earning income, this form is crucial for your tax records. If you're expecting to receive a 1099 form from DoorDash, you'll need to have earned at least $600 in the past tax year. DoorDash uses a platform called Stripe to issue these forms, making the process straightforward for its drivers. Now, let's walk through how to access your 1099 form. The first step is to log into your Dasher account through the DoorDash portal. Once you're logged in, you should navigate to the Earnings section. Here you'll find a link to the Stripe dashboard, which is where DoorDash posts your 1099 form. It's important to note that DoorDash sends out 1099 forms by January 31st each year. If it's past this date and you haven't seen your form in the portal, check your email. DoorDash sends an email notification once your 1099 is ready to download. In some cases, if you haven't received your 1099 form, or if you're having trouble accessing it online, it's recommended to reach out to DoorDash support for further assistance. They can help ensure you receive the necessary tax documents. For those who prefer a digital copy, downloading your 1099 form through the DoorDash portal is quick and convenient. However, if you prefer a physical copy, you can request one be mailed to you through the same portal or by contacting DoorDash support. In conclusion, accessing your 1099 form from DoorDash is a crucial step in managing your finances as an independent contractor. By following the steps outlined today, you can ensure you're prepared and informed for tax season. Remember, staying on top of your tax obligations is key to a smooth and stress-free experience as a Dasher. Thank you for watching. Navigating tax documents can seem daunting, but with the right knowledge and resources, you can easily manage your responsibilities as an independent contractor. Happy dashing, and here's to a successful tax season.